mean, you can see from my face that I'm young, I'm 21. And so I think a lot of 10-year-olds or 9-year-olds saw me and thought, what are you here, like, to babysit? You know, are you actually a teacher? So it was a bit scary, but I really quickly found that, you know, children give you back the energy you give them. Even if you think to yourself, my technique isn't great in swimming, or I need to focus on some things myself, you'll learn that, you know, just have that passion and that drive and be ready for the most random scenarios, because children are full of surprises.
The training's brilliant, it gives you so much confidence, and the people who train you are just absolutely amazing.
You could have had like the most stressful day ever, and then you go into the pool and you see these kids and you hear their stories and you think, yeah, this is exactly why I do this.
You have a million highlights a week when a little face lights up.
Sound like a salesperson, but I honestly mean it from the bottom of my heart. I love those kids.